Ever get tired of juggling multiple logins just to access your tools? That's exactly why Julius now supports single sign-on or SSO, so you and your team can log in securely using the same credentials you already trust. If you're not familiar with SSO, it's a secure way for your company to manage logins through one identity provider like Google Workspace, Okta, or Azure AD. It keeps your data safer, reduces password fatigue, and makes onboarding faster. Here's how to set it up in Julius. Go to the top left corner of Julius and select your team. Head to Team Settings, then scroll down to enable SSO. The team admin or owner should click Generate Secure Link. Only admins have permissions to do this. Once generated, share that link with your IT administrator. When your IT administrator opens a link, they'll be taken to the SSO setup page. Click Get Started in the bottom right corner, select Single Sign-On, then choose your company's identity provider to access step-by-step instructions for configuration. Follow the instructions on the screen, and they may vary slightly depending on the provider. After you finish following all the steps for your company's identity provider, you'll move on to the next step, domain configuration. Verify your domain to enhance security and make sure all logins are tied to your company email addresses. Enter your domain name, then click Add Domain. Add the DNS records provided to your domain settings. Your domain will show as pending verification. Click Verify to refresh the status or check back later. DNS changes can take up to 24 to 48 hours, but they usually process faster. Once your domain is verified, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Done and then Enable Connection. Proceeding will enable SSO access to Julius AI. Please make sure the proper access has been assigned to all users before continuing. Click Proceed. All team members in your Julius workspace can now sign in using their company email address. Enter their password, give the necessary permissions, and log in directly to Julius AI. Once you're in, you can start analyzing data instantly. No extra setup required. SSO is now live in Julius. Try it today at julius.ai.